In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an organizational chart in Smartsheet. We'll walk through the full process of finding the right template, customizing it for your team, and making sure the final chart is clear, useful, and easy to share. This is a great way to visualize reporting lines, team structure, and department organization without having to build everything from scratch. Start by opening Smartsheet and going to the template gallery. The template gallery is the fastest place to begin because it gives you pre-built layouts designed for common business needs. Instead of creating an org chart manually, you can use a ready-made structure and then tailor it to match your team. Once you're in the gallery, use the search bar to look for an org chart or an organizational chart template. Smartsheet may show a few different options, so take a moment to review what's available. Some templates may be simpler and better for small teams, while others may be more detailed and work better for larger departments or multi-level organizations. Next, select the template that best fits your team structure. This part is important because choosing the right starting point will save you time later. If your team has several layers of management, choose a template that supports a clear hierarchy. If your structure is more straightforward, a simpler layout may be easier to maintain. After opening the template, begin adding your employee information. Fill in names, roles, departments, and managers in the appropriate fields. As you do this, try to stay consistent with job titles and department names so the chart looks organized and professional. This will also make it easier for others to read and understand at a glance. If needed, adjust the columns or rows to better match your organization. You may need more space for certain departments, or you may want to remove fields that aren't relevant to your team. Customizing the layout helps the chart reflect your actual structure instead of forcing your team into a generic format. Once the information is in place, add formatting or hierarchy to make the chart clearer. This could mean organizing the reporting relationships more cleanly, improving spacing, or using visual formatting so leadership levels and departments are easier to distinguish. The goal is to make the chart easy to scan and easy to understand. When everything looks right, save your org chart and share it with your team. Sharing allows everyone to reference the same updated structure and helps keep communication aligned. Before sending it out, it's always a good idea to do one final review to make sure the information is accurate and the layout is easy to follow.